I hope my screen is visible to all.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first things we have to learn about the validation rules. So basically we use the validation rules to verify the data that the user enters into the record. So if the data user enters the data that is correctly adjustable or correctly suits the conditions we are given to the tools, they just check that one, and accordingly they store the data inside the our data management system. Okay, so validation rules is just for the conditions, or we can say one kind of formulas that we given in our Salesforce administrations, where they check the data enters by the user that is correctly or not correct. If it is correct, then they store the data, or otherwise they reject that one. Okay, so first I go object manager. This it will be hands-on, so that will be easier for you to understand that one. So first you know that there is a two types of object are there. One is standard object, and second one is user defined object or customer object. So I choose this account that is a standard object. So first there is a details, there is a field, record types, object limits. There is a section that is validation rules. I hope it is visible to all.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. When we click this validation rule, there will be like I have created a before a different validation rules. Okay. So I have make this inactive. So we go for new validation rules. Click this new. Yes. Rules name. Like I want to go for account number. Account underscore number underscore
একটা তালের বড়া হবে? একটা মালপোয়া দাও না। কয়জন বাকি আছে না?
So I have taken this name, account number validation for 10 digits. That means when there is a account number section is there, if I give the 10-digit number, that time only the system will store that data, otherwise it will reject that one. Okay, so there is a condition like there is a I have to insert that one. So for 10-digit number, I hope there is a operator. Let me see that one. The ID phone number. Okay, account number is there. Account phone number. Okay. We have to select this account field. Okay, insert that account number. There is a insert operator. There is a multiple operator as there, like add, subtractor, multiplier, divider, and many more. So we select it is for 10 digit only. So we will choose the not equal to. Okay, whenever the enter data not equal to 10 digit, that time only they will give the error message. So I give the 10. Okay, check the syntax if it is correct or not. So there is some parameters are not expecting the number. Okay, so we have to insert the operator first. there is a length operator. Function is there. There's different kind of functions are there. Length. Length is a function that is used. There is a first bucket. There's inside the text. Okay. Just clear it and then insert this field. Which field we want to use? Account number. Okay. Account number. After that, we have to insert the operator that is not equal to. We made for 10. I hope it is not. Yes. Yes, there is no error. After that, like error message, what do you want to print or show in the text bar? So is enter in okay. Error should be the error message can either appear at the top of the page or below the field on the page. So you will choose if it is coming on the text on the top of the page or not. I choose the field, so it is easier for you, like given the account number. Okay, now save it. Okay. Now we see it is about it is coming or not. Yes, the validation shows the number validated for 10 digit is coming and it is at active mode. Okay, go to setup. Accounts. So as it is, we know that the validation rules is it is now active mode. So when we create a new field like account number, we have to give some account on it. Okay. Now we given the validation rules for the account number. So we have to give 10 digit. That time only it will store. Otherwise it will reject. Let me show you. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, it is not 10 digit. It is a 6 digit. So I am going to save it. Okay. So that please enter the 10 digit number that I've given in the text box. They will write that one. So it is not saving because we applied the validation rules for this field only, account field only. So it is now active, it is now working. Okay. So whenever I now it is the 6 digit I've given, so I made it 10. Okay. 5, 4, 5, 6, and I hope it is 10. So now I'm going to save it. Now it is saved because I have given the validation rules and I have, as per my condition in given in validation rules, it is correct and matched. So that's why it is saved that one. So if I go to details of this object, we see that the account number that is I given that is saved in the Salesforce database. Okay. So one time I go to object. It is understandable to all.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So any doubt in this part?
Condition are not understood.
Okay, so let me give you one more time. First, we have to go in object manager. Okay, choose any object that is a standard object. You see the type of object is a standard object that is predefined or pre-made, we can say. So we go to account object. Then there is a part of details part. There is a field, page layout, lighting, record, pages. Okay. There is a option validation rules. Here we go for new. Okay. Then only we can make a new one. So as I have made that one, I go to edit. Okay. In which part you have a doubt? Hello?
Sir, rule name we can give a name anything.
Yes. I made for the account number validation for 10 digit. That means that if I applied that rule, that means that if I applied that rules means it will store the data of 10 digit only. Otherwise, if you give or user give any digit number, that will not acceptable. Okay, like that. If I made there is a that is the console that I have made it in. There is a code 10. If I made it 6, okay, I made it 6.
Okay.
It is clear. So
Uh,
and save that one. Okay. It is now active mode. So if I go to account object, new, I'm creating new one. Account name is like I've given that one. Now it is account number in which we have applied this validation rules. I have given the 6. Okay.
yes.
So I give more than 6. Okay.
Hmm.
3, 6, 7. 7 digit number I've given.
Yes.
So according to you, what will be the result outcomes?
Error-
It will not
error
storing error. So
Yes. Yes. Error.
it is there is a 10 digit number because I have not changed the there is a tag
Okay.
box is there. There I what I have written in the chat box that will be appear in the please enter the
Error
digit
message.
number message. Okay.
Okay.
So
sir.
if I made it 7, 6, okay. So that time it will store.
Yes.
See, it is storing.
Yes.
So it is now clear to all.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, we just given the name that is related to our rules. Like
Yes,
it is
yes.
helpful.
It actually it is for your uh, understanding purposes because I made is today. After 3 months or 6 months, I will forget that one. Nah. So if I
Yes.
made that one, so it will be recall me or strike me. So yes, it is activity of these rules. Otherwise, you have to go and check the syntax and then you have to understand the logic and then you can tell that it is the function of that one. So it will be very much difficult. So the according to your function, give that name. That will be easier for you understanding. And who will use that one, it is also be understanding to all them. So let me show another one.
Can explain the condition?
Yes. Just speak loudly.
Can explain the condition?
Yes, I'm just explaining that one. The function, it is clear to all?
Yeah.
Okay. Check manager. Account. Yes. Yes. There is a function that is used, that is len function. I hope it is visible to all.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Len function that you will get from there. There is a function categories. It is visible. There is a function
Yes.
categories. Here different kinds of function are there. It is one of them. Len function is calculating the length of the data that is stored by or entered by the user. So account number is the field that I choose on which I am applying the validation rules. The insert the operator is there. and inside the field is there, like account name, account number, account site, account source, activity, and annual revenue. Okay, like annual revenue. So I have to, let me show another one. Okay, so it will be visible, understandable to all. Like I choose len function. I have used the len function, that will be good. Len. Insert the select function len, there is a in under the first bracket there is a text word. Okay, just clear that one and insert the field. I am going to take for the annual revenue. Okay, annual revenue. Insert that annual revenue. Now going to insert the operator. I choose the greater than all operator. Okay, if it is the value entered by the user that is greater than the 10,000, that time only it will store the data. Okay, if it is true, that time it was showing the data error. Okay, so give change this account number to annual revenue, and I'm going to error message, going to change annual. Okay, there is a absolute functions. With that one, there is a error. Take that as function. It will not check that one because len function only used for the checking the length of the data. So we have to, if I going to checking the data value, means 10,000, 15,000, that is the value of the storing. So we have to use the absolute function. Okay, so absolute function that will give annual for the annual revenue. Now it will work. 10,000. Syntax. Yes, no error. It is now it will work. I check the name of Connect Datta. I've given the validation rules for the annual revenue. There is the annual revenue. Okay. So whenever I give the more than 10,000, like I've given the 12,000, 13 and 33. So I'm going to save that one. So it is given that validation rules, the annual revenue is more than 10,000. Okay. if I give 9,000, so that time it will store that one, no error message will come. Going to details. Annual revenue is 9,000. Okay, it is understand to all.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any other doubts? So who can share their screen so that they can do that on hands-on? Hello.
Sir, can I share?
Yes, yes. Going to validation rules. Scroll down. Going to new. Yes. Yes. Keep the name. Which one you want to do?
Account number.
Okay. Give the account number, which digit for which digit you want to do. Underscore. Yes. Capital. After each underscore, you have to give the capital. Yes. Underscore. Give validation. Yes. 10. Okay. Scroll down. Okay. Digit. Yes. Find the len function. Len function is specifically used for calculating the length.
So
Yes.
it
Len.
has different functions.
For calculate, yes, there are several functions are there. For which purposes you want to use, for that purposes there is different function are there. For in our this task, the len function is suitable, so that's why we use the len function. Len function is not coming. Hello, Rituparna.
Okay.
Insert that one. Yes. Please delete the before. Yes. Yes. Go inside the first bracket. No. First inside the first bracket of the len function. Yes. Delete the text. Bus. Now insert the field. The just yes. Not equal to 10. Scroll down. Yes, check the syntax. No error. Okay. Give the error message. Account number must be 10 digit. Go to field. No. Go to field.
Field.
No. Error location. There is a error location. Just no. Yes. Top of the page. If you seen, there is a blue symbol is there, like in error location. Top of the page or field. Just below the error message. Just below the error message. field and top of the PCS. Just click the field.
Oh, okay, sorry.
Yes, checkbox. Yes. Click that. No. Yes. Just click that one. Yes. You have chosen the account number. Yes, click that one. Now save it.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Created.
Okay. Created. Now go to 9 dots.
App launcher.
Mhm. Search the
Sales.
account. No need to search. Search the account.
Account.
Yes, go to accounts. Yes, create new one. New. Yes, give the account number, name. Give a account name. Otherwise, it will not store. Yes, it is the mandatory field. Anything. Just left it. Now give. You have given the 10 digits. Okay, so you give the less than or more than. 3, 6, 9, 8 digits. Okay, now save it. It will must save. Just cross that one. Yes. So account number must be 10 digit. The message you given or written that is showing. Okay. It will not save. So correct that one 10 digit. Made or 2 digit. No need. It will not save until you give the 10 digits. Okay. You have not given 10 digits. 3, 6, 9, 91 more. Yes.
Yes.
Go to details.
Details.
Yes, related after that. Yes. Scroll down. There is a number that is you stored. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So it is clear to all.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you can do it is for yourself and also practice for absolute functions for taking the annual revenue. Okay.
Sir, this rules is only applicable for standard object.
No. You can also applicable for any objects. As you have not made any custom objects, so it is only applicable for the standard objects.
Okay.
Sir, can you explain the functions of what are the,
Could you speak loudly?
can you explain what are the validation rules from functions?
Achha, functions are there. Okay. Just stop sharing.
Which we have to use, which purpose?
Yes. The main purpose of the validations. Now, first things, what you have observed that we have done 2 things. So what do you understand? Let me first clear that one. After that, I will speak of that one. Okay. Tell me, what do you understand?
Understood for any record particular record, we want to assign some particular number.
Just speak loudly.
Suppose we want to any account number, for example, we want to assign some
Hmm.
digits we want to use for validation tool.
Yes. So why we use this validation rules? Like there are several users are there. Okay. If I given the any number, any character that we don't require, so it will automatically, that is the garbage value. We know that garbage value are there, random numbers. So that kind of numbers, it is not valuable. So we want that our system will accept the valid number from the user. and store them in a database that will we use it for our future. Okay, that's why we use the validation rules or conditions. Conditions are made to eliminate the unwanted data that is not required, that is garbage data. It is clear? Hello?
No, sir. Can say.
In which part you have getting difficulties?
The validation rules.
Achha, okay. Like first, you have to understand the validation rules. Why we need that one? Validation rules that verifies the data a user enters in the records that meet the standard you specify before the user can save the data record. We are let me show you that one. You see that is a record like account name Anik Datta, and we are storing the data annual revenue of the Anik Datta is 9,000 only. That is the data that is one that you understand. Hello.
Yes, sir. Understand.
There is a data like Anik Datta. I have stored that one, saved that one, my system or Salesforce database. I have set the details of the Anik Datta, and there is a details of like annual revenue, types of account number, parents account. There are series of fields are there. But for different fields, we can define the different validation rules. So if I say I have stored the data of 9,000, okay. If I give 12,000, I've given the validation rules. It will not store more than 10,000. Only up to 10,000 revenue it will store that one. If I give the 12,000, it will store. It is not acceptable. I'm sure. What do you think? It will store or not?
Sure.
Right? No, because the annual revenue is more than 10,000 because I have given that conditions in the validation rules section that whenever the entered data is more than the 10,000, that time it will show the error message to the user. Please keep it in mind because it will, when I give the more less than the 10,000, that time it will store. That is the valuable data to me. Okay. If I give 5,000 only, okay, it is less than the 10,000. So it will store or
Yes.
not?
Sure.
Store. It stored that one. It is now 5,000. If I edit that one, if I give 15,000, okay, it will store or not? Hello. Is paused. Okay. Hello. Am I audible to all?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mahmood, are you there? So it is understand to all.
Yes,
Any
sir.
doubts in that? So you can do one things you can do for the using the absolute function that I have used for the annual revenue. That is, if it is more than 10,000 or 12,000, so it will give the error message. You can do that one in home and practice that one. Okay. So Mahmood, are you there?
Yes, sir. I'm there.
It is understand to you.
Yes, sir. Understand. Sir,
A-
how
Any
many
doubt?
functions are there?
There are different kind of many function are there. If you want to see, okay.
Yes, sir. I
Yes, sir.
want to
I
see
am
that.
okay.
Can you explain all the things? How that?
Yeah. Let me.
What is ABS? I don't know. Functions, there are different types of.
Yes, there is a function that is, let me show you that function. Like apps function, there's 4-5 kinds of function are there. Data times function. If I go for data times function, add months, date function are there, date time value or function are there. If I give that function, it will store the data. Like I want to give that condition like that. If the age above the 1999, then only it will store the data. That time it will give the data. If we give the value date and time, that time you have to give the certain value. After that, it will accept that one or reject that one. Okay, like day of year, hours, it is year or week, seconds, years. Okay, if I go for the logical, that I've used that one, not equal to, not, null functions, and function, if function are there. We have familiar to if function in our programming languages. Like mathematical operations, we have given absolute function, it is give the absolute value of the data we have stored. If I given the negative value, that will become the positive in sense of apps corner function are there, as assign function are there for significant value of the function is also given. Distance exponential function is there. We all know about the exponential function, that is e to the power x. So there are many functions are there. Tangential function, max. If we given the certain value in between, it will give the only maximum value of that set of the values. Minimum function, mean function, mod function, pi, square function. All the mathematical function are there. Text function and advanced, that was. Okay. Hello, Mahmood.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, it is clear to all.
Clear.
Okay.
Sir, can you give the notes for this? What about daily?
Notes actually. Okay. It will. Ma'am will give that notes to you. Okay.
Okay.
So you can, it is a simple, that is the validation rules. You can search on Google and you get the many more things about it. You can learn that one. And main things of the validation rules, it is the practical things. Okay. So give the conditions. If it is satisfied, that one it will work. As simple as it is. So today's class is now till now. Okay.
Sir,
Could you
Yes.
decide the attendance?
Okay. You have not given the attendance. Okay. Okay.
sir,
Yes. Tell me.
um, sir, in page layout,
Ye- Page layouts. Yes, yes.
Yes,
There
yes,
is when
previous
we
class.
yes. Okay.
इन पेज लेआउट मतलब कैसे चेक कर सकती हूँ मैं वो जो पेज लेआउट हुआ काम हुआ है या नहीं
Okay,
मैं
okay. Let me show that one.
हम्म,
Okay, just share your screen.
yes sir.
Yes. To me. Page layout. Positions. Okay. It is the data part of the positions. Which kind of page layout you have given? Just show me that one.
Yes sir.
Yes, it is giving the graph of the performance.
One second sir.
Yes.
Okay sir. Sir ये compensation
Yes, it is. Let me. Yes, you have given the page layout, position one layout. It is given.
how
Yes.
I check the compensation is working or not.
Yes, go to the right side one arrow. Yes, yes. Click that one. Edit that one. Yes. Page layout. Okay. Scroll down. You have done anything? You have not done anything, I think. Just scroll up. Okay, sections. You click the sections. Yes, it's section. Drag down. I hope it is. Scroll up. Leave that one. Scroll up. Okay, okay. Actually, you have not created the. Ma'am have told that you have created that one. Anything ma'am told that you have to create section wise.
Yes sir.
No, that is not. JavaScript modified minimum pay. Position one, that is in a custom object. Enable report. Okay. The page layouts is working. I have just create that in your data is created. Okay.
Actually, I can't understood this page layout.
Okay. Just click the minimum pay. I hope it will work.
Minimum pay.
It is working.
Oh, okay. Mean pay.
Mean pay. Drag it down. No, it is not working. Okay.
Click on the section, sir.
Yes.
Click on the section wise. Drag it.
Yes,
Can I-
give it there, leave it there. Yes,
Can I go down?
yes. Okay. Click OK. Click OK. Okay. Okay. It is created, I think. But there is 1 minute. Click that anything that is JavaScript. It is what I think it will work.
JavaScript.
Type of checkbox. Okay.
Sir, it is not here, like sir, below where the mention the field where we can select and then we paste it in this new section. Like
Yes, yes.
scroll down.
Scroll down. Yes,
Okay.
that is the open activities. Yes. Simple text.
Select the JavaScript option.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Not here. In this
There
section,
in the
comprehension stuff.
yes. Scroll down.
Scroll up maybe.
Maybe scroll up. Yes. Scroll up. Scroll up.
Here,
Here
JavaScript.
there is a JavaScript. Yes. The tick.
Up.
There is a tick.
Pick up location.
Yes. Yes. Just scroll. Just
Select
drag
it.
it down. Yes.
Yes. And paste it in compensation.
Compensation. Just no. Just drag it down. Drag
Okay.
it.
Yes.
Yes.
And then paste
Paste
it.
it. Paste it. Just lift it. Yes. It is
Yes,
now.
it's work.
Okay, okay.
Do another one so it will be clear to you. In right side you can do it, that one. In right section go. Yes. Just leave it there. Yes.
Okay, sir.
Like it is a 2-section part. Okay. Left side and right
Hmm.
sides.
Okay.
So okay. So it is clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Clear.
Just stop sharing that one. Ritumana, just stop sharing.
Okay, okay.
So today's class is till now. Next class I think it is Friday. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Sir, we don't know about what syllabus is going on.
Syllabus, it is the vast syllabus about the things. So you will know about the day by day. Okay, no issue. There is a vast syllabus about the admin part.
Sir, anything we will do any project or any we will assign